Hey guys, I'm Sid Converse from the lifestyle site The Sweetest Occasion, and today we are talking about one of my very favorite cocktail recipes. It's a raspberry swirl pineapple mango margarita, and it's absolutely delicious. There are a few things I love in life more than traveling. One of my favorite places to go is Key West. I'm in love with the beach vibe and the music, the laid-back atmosphere, the amazing architecture, and let's not forget the incredible frozen cocktails. This raspberry swirl pineapple mango margarita is completely inspired by Key West and the times that I've been able to spend there. It starts with the most incredible fresh raspberry sauce, and then huge chunks of pineapple, mango, a really good tequila, and then the finishing touch is fresh squeezed clementine juice. I like to start this drink with a good sized margarita glass. We're not gonna skimp on this drink whatsoever. You're gonna take a spoon and swirl the raspberry sauce around the inside of the glass. And then in the blender, you're gonna combine your pineapple, your mango. I use the pre-cut frozen stuff that comes from the freezer section at the grocery store because it makes it so easy, and that's what it's all about. And then add in the tequila, the fresh clementine juice, and blend it all up. When it's good and frothy, that's when I add in the ice just to thicken it up and make it nice and frosty. So once everything is good and frosty and thick, you're gonna pour it into your glass that's already swirled with the raspberry sauce. Fill it right to the top, add some more raspberry sauce on top, swirl it through, and then garnish it with a big chunk of fresh pineapple. It is seriously so delicious. Your friends are gonna love it. It's perfect for happy hour on a Friday night. It's perfect for sitting on the back porch on the weekends, and is perfect for basically every day of the week. For the full recipe, visit thesweetestoccasion.com.